So here we have the ingredients for a grilled cheese sandwich. Here's some lightly toasted bread, supermarket quality, whatever you have. About a tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon each of rosemary and thyme, about a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. I have also about a tablespoon of, this is just some home fermented cabbage, some sauerkraut essentially. Half a tablespoon each of creme fraiche and Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons of, I like cubed cheddar, and a tablespoon of cubed grana padano for some sharpness and saltiness. And of course there'll be some salt and pepper as well. So right here I'm just warming up my carbon steel pan. It has a little bit of cooking oil, pretty neutral stuff. I would say less than half a tablespoon. It's just warming up here. Then once that gets warmed, what I'm going to do is transfer my grilled cheese sandwich into there, lower the heat, cover it with another pan to keep it compressing against the bottom of the pan, to just ensure that everything is melting properly on the inside as well as the bottom of the pan, really contacting every last bit of the bottom piece of bread. And then we're gonna wait about 2 minutes on medium to low heat. Turn the heat back down to medium low while that's going on, and we're ready for action. As the first side finishes, I'm gonna mount with some of that butter, get that browning happening as well.